Hi, my name is Bijesh Ghimire. Today I am going to present on my individual contribution during Sprint 3 on our project Analysis of Defective and Recall Products using Retail Sales and Returns Data. This is the final sprint, Sprint 3. I have worked upon 5 user stories on this sprint, that is from user story 27 to 31. I made up a dashboard for refund and defects based on these user stories. The user stories are described further in other slides. In user story 27, as a user, I should be able to see total number of returns due to defects. Here, total number of products returned in men clothing is 2134 and in men fragrances is 807 and so on. The visualization is also based on top 5 product recalls. In user story 28, as a user, I should be able to see return items based on stores. Here is the visualization of the return product from stores. We can see that men night cologne is the most returned products from overall stores. In user story 29, as a user, I should be able to see total number of product returns by the customer. This is the visualization that shows the total number of products returned by the customer each year. We can see that the total number of products returned in 2020 is 1000, whereas it is increased to 3000 in 2022. In user story 30, as a user, I should be able to see total number of lost sales due to product returns in store. The most product return is from ODX Pit Street, which is 40% of the total product return, and the least returns is from ODX Main Street, which is about 22% of the total returns. Also, ODX Skirt Street composes about 37% of the total return product. In user story 30, as a user, I should be able to see the total number of products that were recalled due to defects. The returned products are categorized according to defect type. We can see that most defects are due to leather and the least defect are due to size. Now, combining all those visualizations explained before, a dashboard was created showing all the defects and refunds that will further help to visualize the predictive analysis for the sales and returns in upcoming years based on present data. Now the application of stream specific knowledge. The first and foremost is project management, where we followed the identity, document, analyze, store and retrieve process. We identified the comments and recommendations from previous sprints, documented and discussed it, and then analyzed it to make changes. Later it was stored in cloud as lesson learned so that we can retrieve it whenever needed. Second one is project methodologies, where we learned and implemented different project management approaches such as Agile, Scrum, Waterfall and so on. Third one is data visualization, where I made myself used to with visualization functions to create formula and summation, and also learn dashboard creation with advanced filtering and slicing customizations. Fourth one is research methodologies. There are several methodologies we use to research during the project. One of them is explanatory research that help exploring research questions that have not previously been studied in depth, and the last one is the descriptive research that help to explain the characteristics of the collected data. Now personal reflection, the things that didn't go well and what could have been done. Number one is addition of filters and navigation could have been better in the current dashboard. To make this better, more filters and navigation that helps in predictive analysis will be added to the dashboard until the project is finalized. A separate dashboard for predictive analysis was created, and on the final project, a homepage like a link to navigate will be created in the frontal dashboard. And the second one is relationship conflict in the database tables were still existing, which were corrected by properly allocating the primary and foreign keys that establish the relationship between table and is also helpful during the visualization. Number 3 is categorization of products. We came to feel like the product can be subcategorized more in depth to increase the product scope, so that we added more product subcategories with more data. Number 4 is data issues while collaboration. We were using primitive method of importing and exporting the database from one computer to another by sharing files, which is showing some error in our database. We corrected the problem by using a central portal where all three of us can make changes in data and is applied to all at once. Number 5 is the user interface of the dashboard and the visualizations, where we will still work on making the user interface more attractive, user-friendly and appealing until the final demonstration of the project is done. Thank you.